On the way to chasing our dreams, we continue to pursue innovation. Every moment deserves to be recorded. And creation is possible. Now, introducing Darkstar20. Darkstar20, perfect solution for indoor cursing and outdoor life. Small but powerful. Adobe's lightweight injection molded fuselage. Traveler frame provides sufficient rigidity. High toughness, integrated protective grip, without fear of accidental collision. Chasing through the buildings and forest, Darkstar20 will not let you down. Equipped with Speed X21102 models, integrates ELIS receiver, and compatible with TAKER F411-12A-E ELIS flight control, high efficiency and sufficiency. With L3 air unit video transmission, 40 ambient video recording and D6 line mode shots, capture stunning imagery. Explore the air wonderful. Let Darkstar20 stay with you.